Reinforcing concrete with steel fibers has been widely used in construction. In this video we will discuss about using steel fiber reinforced concrete in flooring construction. Steel fiber concrete flooring can provide superior resistance to minimize cracks in hardened concrete, as well as maximum resistance to withstand heavy loads, either dynamic or static. Using steel fiber concrete flooring, we can select to use a joint-less floor, that is, floors that have minimum joints. Steel fiber dosage will vary greatly upon the project intended use and the types of mesh being replaced. Common dosages are in the range between 20 to 30 kilograms per meter cube and about 40 to 50 kilograms per meter cube for joint-less floors. It can only be done through a structural engineer and with proper guidance. Moving forward with adding steel fiber. Typically, the fibers are added at the batch plant, just after all concrete aggregates are being mixed. But in some cases, people would request to have the fiber added at the job site for that the quality assurance and quality control should have more control on how much fiber is added. The fibers are glued together. As soon as it mixes with concrete, glue melts, and fibers are mixed with concrete homogeneously. Ensure proper mixing, that is minimum 5 minutes of mixing before emptying. The steel fiber manufacturer provides guidance on how to mix and the amount needed to obtain the desired results. Be that if you add too much fiber, it might show up at the surface when finishing the concrete, so be cautious about the amounts being mixed. The bends and hooks in the steel fibers are crucial to the fiber's anchoring performance after concrete finishing. If it is visible, they are cut using clipper. Let us know the cost of the steel fiber concrete. Depending on the type of steel fiber used, it can cost between 80 to 100 rupees per kilogram, and it is used around 3 to 6 kilograms per cubic meter. Effect and workability by adding fiber to concrete mix. There will be some changes in concrete like, first of all, the slump will be affected, and it is recommended to add a super plasticizer to enhance the slump and make the concrete a little more fluid. Not all steel fiber can be used as a substitute for steel reinforcement, so make sure that structural engineer has reviewed and analyzed the loads before proceeding. Let us know where to use steel fiber concrete floor. Applications for steel fiber concrete flooring can be found on parking lots, airport runways, and workshops. This method is also widely used for port pavements, container storage handling areas, bulk storage warehouses, and military warehouses. Steel fiber reinforced concrete is commonly used in tunnel construction, as it provides additional flexural strength, reduces shrinkage cracking, and reduces permeability. There are numerous benefits to adding steel fibers to concrete in construction, like it increased load-bearing capacity of concrete. There is reduction of concrete slab thickness. It increased durability. It has low maintenance costs. Also, it will improve flexural properties. There will be reduction of site labor for managing steel reinforcement. It will reduce project costs. There will be savings for heavier crack control systems.